Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming two things. The Instagram app is updated and your device allows app sounds. Once done, open Instagram and go straight to your profile. Don't detour. Tap the menu, then Settings, then Notifications. You're taking the single supported path in 2025 that leads to in-app sound controls. Make sure you're on the correct account if you manage multiple profiles, because changes apply per account and won't sync automatically across accounts. Once inside Notifications, choose Push Notifications to access each event type. You'll see categories like Messages, Message Requests, and Likes. Pick the one you want to change. Tap Sound for that category. Instagram now lists system sounds plus any custom tones you've added to the device. Select a new tone or silence if you prefer no sound. Make changes one category at a time so you don't overwrite a setting you rely on for other alerts. After selecting sounds, exit settings and test immediately by triggering the alert, send a message, or ask a friend to interact. If you don't hear the new sound, make sure system-level app sounds and notification permissions are enabled. Instagram's in-app choices depend on those. If problems persist, force close and restart the app, then reboot the device. As a last resort, reinstall Instagram, but only after confirming permissions. That resolves corrupted.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.